Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So we are solving mathematical physics written by HK Das, and today we are going to solve question number 3 of exercise 11.4, that is of Fourier series. In this question students, we have to find the cosine half range series for the function x in between the limits 0 to 2. So cosine series can be represented by this formula, that is a naught by 2 plus summation n from 1 to infinity a n cos n pi x by c, and plus bn up to dash dash dash. So bn's value is 0 for cosine series, so no need to find its value. Now we will find the value of a naught by this formula and an by this formula one by one. So first of all I will find the value of a naught, and a naught's value is, so first thing students, here the limits sorry, are from 0 to 2, so the value of c will be 2 only. Okay, so the value of a naught I can find by the formula 2 by 2 integrating from 0 to 2 the function that is x dx. So 2 will cancel out 2 and its value will be x square by 2. Now put the limits from 0 to 2, so its value will be 4 by 2, hence its value will be 2 only. So the value of a naught is 2 and the value of a naught by 2 will be equals to 2 by 2 means 1. Okay, so this is the value of a naught by 2. Now we are going to calculate the value of an, and the value of an can be calculated by this formula. So I will apply this formula. An will be equals to 2 by 2 integrating from 0 to 2 the function that is x and sorry, cos n pi x by c. C is 2, so I will put 2 over there, sorry, that is dx. So integrating this, 2 will cancel out 2, and integrating this we will get, I will again apply the formula of product of two rules, two functions, two different functions, then its value will be 1. I will take outside, and inside x will I will put as it is, and integrating second function that is minus plus sine n pi x by 2 dot 2 by n pi, and putting minus over there, differentiation of x will be 1 only, and integrating second function that is minus cos n pi x by 2 dot its value that is 2 by n pi, and 2 by n pi is already there, so its value will become 4 by n square pi square. Okay, now put the limits from 0 to 2. So sine n pi x will be 0 only, because sine 2 n pi will be 0 and cos sine 0 will always be 0. So this minus and this minus will be plus, and its value will become cos n pi x by 2 dot 4 by n square pi square. I am taking this side now, and now I will put the limits from 0 to 2 inside it. Okay, so its value will be 4 by n square pi square into cos n pi 2, cos n pi dot 2 by 2, so its value 2 will cancel out 2, minus cos 0, so its value will become 4 by n square pi square into cos n pi minus 1 or cos 0. Now putting its limits, putting its value, we will get 4 by n square pi square, inside cos n pi will be minus 1 power n minus 1 only. Okay, so its value is 4 by n square pi square and minus 1 power n minus 1 only. Okay, so from here what will we do? We will just take this minus sign outside, and we will get its value minus 4 by n square pi square. What I am doing, I am taking this minus outside, and inside what will remain? 1 minus 1 power n. Why this minus 1 power n is inside now? This is just because this minus I had taken outside common, this minus I had taken outside common, and this minus will be plus, and this plus will be minus, so minus 1 power n. Okay, so this is the value for the an. Now if I will take n as an even number, then this value will give us plus 1, and 1 minus 1 will be 0. So for n even, we will get its value 0. We will get its value 0 only. That is for an we will get 0. For n an odd number, For odd number, its value will be plus only, and its value will become minus 4 by n square pi square into 2. So its value will be minus 8 by n square pi square. Its value will be minus 8 by n square pi square. So we will get its values just for odd number of terms, and for even number of terms an will be 0, so no need to put it. Now I will apply this value in the above formula, that is that one, a naught by 2, and we got the value of a naught by 2 as 1. So cosine series will be equals to 1 and summation plus summation n from 1 to infinity an, and the value of an is minus 8 by n square pi square, minus 8 by n square pi square into cos n pi x by 2. Okay, now put its limit and we will get its value just like that. 1 minus 8 by n square pi square, and inside summation n from 1 to infinity cos n pi x by 2. N square I will also take inside, and its value will become 1 minus 8 by pi square. Inside its value will be, I will take n equals to 1, 3, 5, because for even number of terms we are having an equals to 0. So for odd number of terms we will have its value just like that, and its value will become 1 by n square I will take. So 1 by 1 square, for n equals to 1 I will take 1 here, that will be 1 by 1 square, and cos 1 pi x, that will be pi x by 2 only, plus for 2 that is 0, so no need to put it, and for 3, so 1 by 3 square and cos 3 pi x by 2, plus 1 by 5 square dot cos 5 pi x by 2 up to dash dash dash. So this is the required answer. This one is the required answer for the Fourier series expansion for the half range cosine series. So thank you, have a good day.